Hello, I'm Fides. Welcome to our basic Tagalog course. Spaced repetition technique is used in our lessons, which will help you retain and recall information more effectively. So try not to skip slides, even if you've already seen them. Also, remember to repeat the Tagalog words and expressions after me, especially when you see this. Now, let's start. One way to say I in Tagalog is ako, ako. To say student in Tagalog, we say estudiante, estudiante. To say I'm a student, we say estudiante ako, estudiante ako. To say teacher, we say guro, guro. To say I'm a teacher, we say guro ako, guro ako. One way to say you in Tagalog is ka, ka. To say you are a student, we say estudiante ka, estudiante ka. So how would you say you are a teacher? Guro ka, guro ka. How would you say I'm a teacher, you're a student? Guro ako, estudyante ka. Guro ako, estudyante ka. To say hello, we say kumusta? Kumusta? To ask the question how are you, we say kumusta? Kumusta? It's the same word. The difference is just in the inflection. Kumusta? You can add a pronoun if you wish. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? To say fine or good, we say mabuti. Mabuti. To introduce yourself, you can say I am. In Tagalog, we say ako si. Ako si. To say I am Fides, we say ako si Fides. Ako si Fides. Now, tell us your name. So, how would you say I am Fides? I am a teacher. Ako si Fides. Guro ako. Ako si Fides. Guro ako. To say yes in Tagalog, we say oo. Oo. To say yes, I'm Fides, we say oo, ako si Fides. Oo, ako si Fides. To say no or not in Tagalog is Hindi. Hindi. To say, I'm not a student, we say, hindi ako estudyante. Hindi ako estudyante. Now, let's compare this with the affirmative statement. Estudyante ako. I'm a student. As you can see, when the statement is negative, the pronoun and the noun switch places. Ako and estudyante are switched. Hindi ako estudyante. I'm not a student. So how would you say, I'm Fides? I'm not a student. I'm a teacher. Ako si Fides. Hindi ako estudyante. Guro ako. Ako si Fides. Hindi ako estudyante. Guro ako. Want in Tagalog is gusto. Gusto. Another way to say I in Tagalog is ko. Ko. To say I want, we say gusto ko. Gusto ko. Another way to say you in Tagalog is mo. Mo. To say you want is gusto mo. Gusto mo. Here is your first table of personal pronouns. Try to memorize them after this lesson. Coffee in Tagalog is kape. Kape. To say a, some, or just coffee is ng kape. Ng kape. Ng is what we call an indefinite marker. So, ng kape is a coffee, some coffee, or just coffee. Ng kape. To say, I want coffee, we say, gusto ko ng kape. Gusto ko ng kape. How would you say you want coffee? Gusto mo ng kape. Gusto mo ng kape. How would you say, I'm Fides? I'm not a student. I'm a teacher. I want coffee. Ako si Fides. Hindi ako estudyante. Guro ako. Gusto ko ng kape. Ako si Fides. Hindi ako estudyante. Guro ako. Gusto ko ng kape. The word for name in Tagalog is pangalan. 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 The sound ng is not easy to pronounce. Let's try this word one more time. Pangalan. To say my name, we say pangalan ko. Pangalan ko. As you can see, ko can also be my, which is a possessive adjective. Meanwhile, mo can be your. Therefore, to say your name, we say pangalan mo. Pangalan mo. In Tagalog, what is ano? Ano. So, what is your name is ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? Ang is a subject marker, which means the subject of this interrogative sentence is pangalan mo, your name. To answer ano ang pangalan mo, we say ako si. Ako si. You can also answer that question by saying my name is, which in Tagalog is ang pangalan ko. Ang pangalan ko. Therefore, to say I'm Fides, Fides is my name, we say ako si Fides, Fides ang pangalan ko. Ako si Fides, Fides ang pangalan ko. Again, how would you ask the question, how are you? Kumusta? Kumusta? Again, you can add a pronoun if you wish. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? To say fine, good. Mabuti. Mabuti. To ask how about you or just you, we say ikaw. Ikaw. To say fine too, we say mabuti rin. Mabuti rin. Here's another table of personal pronouns with the pronoun ikaw. Ikaw is generally found at the beginning of a sentence, whereas ka is found at the end. Here is an example of a dialogue. Kumusta ka? Mabuti. Ikaw? Mabuti rin. To say thank you, we say salamat. Salamat. To say goodbye, we say paalam. Paalam. So how would you say thank you, goodbye? Salamat. Paalam. Salamat. Paalam.